See, as I told you, the instructions will keep on changing. So, as if now, with the latest instructions, I'll guide you how to do. Okay,
Okay, all right.
Yes, sir.
good. So, what all work you will be doing, right? Our validators will be validating it out, and if there are any minor mistake or major mistakes, they'll let you know.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, all
Okay.
right.
Okay.
Chalo. Now I'm presenting my screen. Okay. So, hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. This is absolutely. Yes, sir.
So, uh, this is our platform. This
Okay.
is our platform. This see you can see the link there on the
Okay.
URL. You can see the link. I'll share you
Okay.
the link as well. When you click on this link, it will direct you to this particular platform. So here, initially, I'll provide access to you people. So you can just click on the sign up button and fill all your details and click on this. So that soon after clicking on the sign up button, you will receive a verification mail. Verify it, then you are able to log in. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So as if now my credentials are already accessed. So what I'm doing, I'm just
Sign.
trying to log in. I
Okay.
try with my uh, sample ID. I try. Chalo. So this is the platform. Here you can see three options.
Okay.
Okay, three options. When you want to create a question, right? You need to go to this questions. Click on this question. Click on this question, and you can see create new question button, right? So click on this create new question button. Here, just you check. Updated by me, your name should appear here. If your name is not appearing, then your internet connection is not proper. Okay.
Okay.
Your name
Okay.
should appear because if your name is not appearing, still it allows you to type, do everything. But in the end, you are not able to save the question. It says curator missing. So just soon after clicking on questions and create new question button, just make sure your name is present here. Okay.
Yes.
Then however, the language is English and type may, so you can see numerous types. There are many types of questions. Most probably in our daily life, we encounter true or false, multiple choice, single choice,
Yes.
fill in
Okay.
the blank, subjective. Mostly we'll be
Okay.
encountering these types of questions only, right?
Okay.
So here I want to stress at multiple choice and single choice. Multiple choice is a type of question. See, when you click on the type, right? When I choose multiple choice, the whole scenario behind in CG in the sense content will see the whole platform changes into that particular format. Okay.
Okay.
Here in this box, you need to provide question. You need to type question, and the four options you will be providing in this four options block. Now, for example, the options need to be typed how it is present in the PDF itself. But see, few options are like this: A dot row. The next option में B dot stem. See, you shouldn't write this A B C D. You shouldn't mention this. Only you need to mention the option subject. Okay,
Okay.
understand right?
Okay.
Directly you need to mention option subject.
Okay.
Generally, this is a common mistake people do. This is the option subject. Option subject only need to be mentioned in this particular option box. Okay,
Okay.
clear right?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now multiple choice. Multiple choice में out of four options, two or
Hmm.
more options, one or more option are correct. See,
Correct.
multiple choice in the sense you can select many. One
Okay.
or more options can be correct. Suppose
Correct.
if I choose single choice, hello,
Yes, sir.
if I choose single choice, any one option is correct.
Okay.
Okay, out of four options, only one option is correct.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You notice this difference?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Chalo. Now, similarly, if I take any sum, fill in the blank may also the whole format in CJ will change this automatically. Here in
Okay,
this
sir.
box, you will be writing the fill in the blank statement.
Okay.
Okay. And here in this option box, you will be writing the correct option.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. And the
Okay.
explanation need to be provided here.
Here.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Now again, fill in the blank is fine and subjective. If I click on subjective,
This.
same. Here the question body the answer solution bodies. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Clear now? So now
Okay, sir.
we will type one question. Okay. Both of you belong to which subject? Mathematics and physics, right?
Physics, mathematics, anyone no issue.
Physics, mathematics, and
Chemistry, मतलब all three
okay,
subject.
okay. There are many people. Okay, no issue. Chal.
Okay, sir.
I take one simple question and I'll type it. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever you are writing values with its units or only units, make sure you shouldn't write like this in normal font. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever you are writing values with units, only values, or any denoting variables or angles, suppose like theta, 60 degrees, these all things you need to write them in mat type. What is mat type? See, you can see the symbol here.
Okay.
This is mat type. In this,
Okay.
you need to write 7
Okay.
centimeter. You can see
Okay,
now
sir.
centimeter is in italic. Centimeter is in italic. It
Italic.
shouldn't be in italic. It should be in non-italic. So I'm selecting the text and I'm pressing Control double I. Okay. Can you see the difference?
Yes,
Can you
sir. Yes,
observe the
sir.
difference? It is in
Yes.
italic now. I'm making it non-italic. It should be non-italic.
Okay.
Okay. So it
Okay.
appears like this. And follow proper grammar. The starting of the sentence should be starting with capital letter, and in the end you need to put a full stop. Okay.
Okay.
This is the question. Now solution. Solution need to be given. Given.
Radius.
Okay.
Radius. Radius of circle.
Is
Mat type. Then.
math type. What I'll do is r equal to 5 centimeter. I'll put
Okay. Okay. Then control.
double I. Very good.
Control double I. Okay.
I remove it. One second. Uh,
Okay.
so given radius of a circle r equal to 5 centimeter. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now the perimeter
Meter.
of the circle
Circle.
is
2 pi r.
yes. So the formula also need to be math type.
Okay, sir.
See,
Okay.
in MATLAB you see many tools. There are many tools. Yes,
Okay. Okay.
many tools, many symbols. Every symbol can be accessed from these sections, individual sections. Okay. If you
Okay.
feel like if anywhere something is missing, suppose see you cannot see any therefore symbol, therefore and since symbol here. So it is see
Okay.
you can see a slight arrow, small arrow here. You can see this
Okay.
one. Here,
Okay.
if you
Okay.
click right, you can see all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you are not able to finding such symbols and all, you can click on these arrows. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. So 2,
Pi
5, R.
r.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now
Now.
you can see I want to your wishes. It is like you can complete one solution in one step or two steps, but make sure in one step there should be at least 50 characters.
Okay.
50,
Okay.
50 words. Okay. One
Okay.
solution may at least 50 words. One step may. So see,
Okay. Okay.
suppose if I'm pressing small only enter, you can see my cursor is leaving some gap between the previous sentence. Yes.
Yes.
If I press only enter, I'm pressing only enter, you can see there is a gap. If I'm pressing shift, holding shift and enter, it is just below the previous sentence. The cursor is blinking just below the previous sentence. Can you see that difference?
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm pressing just normal enter. Okay. When you will be doing
Okay.
it now, you will get it. Okay.
Okay.
Now, perimeter of application. Application. I just do the solution now.
2 pi
R 2
2 pi
into
22 by 6. Sir, can we put a value in a decimal form? 3.14.
Yeah, you can put it. You can put it. That is that is up to your this thing. Like if you want to explain it in that such a way, you can put it, no problem.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So you can see now. Okay, sir.
Okay, yes.
I given in my way. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So solution is completed, right?
Okay, sir.
Solution is completed. Now what you need to do is you need to select. I want to make this as one step and
Okay.
this as one step, right?
Okay, okay.
That's when I left some gap in between. If you don't leave a gap, right, each and everything in the solution, each and every character in the solution will considered as one step. So
One step.
if you want to separate, if when you separate now, then only uh, easily individual steps are made. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir. Okay.
I just selected it and you can see this block code symbol here. Block code. I'm clicking on this
Okay.
block code. You can see the
Okay.
whole text is displaced with a vertical line
Yes, sir.
from its original position. So similarly, the second step, I'm clicking on this block code. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
These are the two steps I made. Now I'm clicking on create or update steps.
Create and update stuff.
Update
Okay.
steps. So the steps are made. Two steps.
Okay.
You can
Sir,
see now?
in one question, how many steps?
That is up to you. Like if it is of one mark, one step is fine. Like I'm telling you, it depends.
Okay,
It
okay.
depends on the question.
Question.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If you are making one step, no, one individual step, no,
Okay.
make sure like at least 50 words or 50 words should be there in that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Generally, for physics, the explanation and everything is much, na? So that's why.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now,
Okay,
for
sir.
each step, you can see there are four parameters. For each
Okay.
step, you can see four parameters: meta tags,
Yes.
solve with us, and marks.
Okay.
Second step also meta tags, solve with us, marks. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Now, I'm clicking on meta tags. Meta tags mean you need to assign the difficulty level from 1 to 10. The
Okay.
difficulty level according to, suppose this is a sixth standard, I guess, sixth standard
Okay.
mathematics.
Yes, sir.
So according to sixth standard child's mindset, you need to tag the difficulty level. I am tagging
Okay.
4 here.
Four.
Okay.
Okay.
The
Okay.
primary concept, what here for concept itself, I have a separate list. I have
Hmm.
a separate list. I'll share you one list actually. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
uh, I'll actually, how your output sheet appears, I'll show you.
Okay.
This is the output sheet. Okay, this is one some person's output sheet. Okay, they'll,
Okay.
you can see beneath there are different tabs: index, topic
Hmm.
tagging, and book code. Book code in the sense,
Okay.
in the book code only I'll giving you, in the book code tab only I'll be giving you the assignment. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So index me, you can see so far I given him, assigned him only one assignment. This is the book
Okay.
code of grade 7 chapter 16. Only one chapter I assigned him. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is a textbook PDF link. Textbook
Okay.
PDF link also I given here. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Now concepts link is here. I'm clicking on the concepts link and opening it.
Okay. Concept link.
Yeah, you can see the concepts here. This is the concept link. You can see now from
Yes,
grade
sir.
1 mathematics to grade 12 bio. Each and every grade concepts are present here. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
as of now, I told it is of grade 6 mathematics. You can see here, grade 6 mathematics. I'm clicking on it.
Okay.
Just click on it. All the concepts related to grade 6 will display here. Get
Okay.
displayed here. See, grade 6 mathematics, all the concepts are displayed here.
Display here.
So you can see na, concept code, concept name, exam, subject, everything is written here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Suppose
Okay.
I want to search for, see, control F. I'm pressing control F and I'm searching for perimeter. Perimeter of a circle. You can see here. Here you can see circumference of a circle also is available.
Yes, sir.
So I can tag this circumference of a circle. So what I do is I choose this code 7423. Okay,
Okay.
this is
Okay.
circumference of a circle is concept name and 7423 is the concept code. Okay,
Okay.
I go to content GRL now. I here name and code, both options are there. So I click on
Okay.
code and I write 7423.
Okay.
Uh, you are not able to find it with the code, you can find it with the word also.
Circumference.
Circumference of a circle of it's grade 4, grade 7, grade 10,
Grade at.
grade 6.
Okay.
I told you right, it is of grade 6.
Okay.
So
Okay.
grade 6 is available here. Like which grade it is, that grade only need to tag. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is of this circumference of a circle, so I'm tagging this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Just when you tag, click on this
Okay.
select and another box appears here, primary competency. Okay.
Okay.
Primary competency. Click on that. What exactly you want to tell? Identify the points on the circumference of a circle. Now, reproduce the definitions of circumference of a circle. Okay, because step one, it is mostly this. This is only thing, na.
Okay. Okay.
So you can even define it. You can even define it here. Circumference of a circle is nothing but the outer boundary length of a circle. Okay, you can define it
Okay.
here. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so concept में primary concept you need to tag and primary competence also you need to tag. Soon after
Okay.
tagging this, if there are any other concept included in one step, so you can tag them in secondary concept.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now solve with us. Solve with us. What you need to do is solve with us. Uh, one thing. One thing you need to tag that is a subject of the step. Okay. Don't tag in solve with us. Generally, if you are doing fill in the blank question, directly the blank is the last answer, right?
Okay.
Last fill in the blank में whatever the dash you are putting there, that is the answer, right or not?
Okay.
So that you shouldn't put. You understand?
Yes. Yes.
That you shouldn't. The answer shouldn't be made blank. See, I'll tell you the solve with us motto first. You are hiding something. You are hiding something, and you are letting the child to guess it.
Okay.
Solve with us. Suppose I am hiding this perimeter. I hide this
Okay.
perimeter. Only you started from P and ended R. I'm hiding this perimeter. The child, when he chooses the option solve with us, it appears as the dash of a circle is 2 pi r.
Okay.
You understand, right?
Yes. Yes.
The dash of a circle is 2 pi r. Matlab perimeter is made blank.
Okay.
Got it, na? So
Okay.
this is the way, like that. So main thing, you suppose the direct answer you cannot make. If it is a fill in the blank or it is of multiple choice or single choice, the end answer you cannot make. मतलब whatever the blank what you are making na, if it is present in the option, okay, you cannot make that blank. Okay,
Okay.
you should make a blank from the explanation itself. You
Okay.
understanding? You're understanding, right?
Okay.
So that is the thing. So here I can choose perimeter either 2 pi r. I can choose anyone from both. So
Okay.
if I want to make 2 pi r as blank, I just select it and I click on this A and click on OK. Okay. If I want to make perimeter as blank, see when you are making a blank, right, make ensure that no extra spaces are entered. Few people
Okay.
how they do from here. They do from here like this. See,
Okay.
before P there is an extra space. Now in this case, what happens? When the child is typing perimeter, even it shows wrong. Before perimeter, he need to put a space. Then only it shows correct.
Okay.
That's why make ensure like from P till R. That's it. I selected this perimeter and I'm clicking on this A, which is background black in color. I'm clicking on this and I'm taking the second option. Okay. I'm clicking on A and I'm choosing the second option.
Okay.
And I click on create or update FIB. FIB means fill in the blank. Okay.
Okay.
I'm creating it. So see, perimeter is made blank now. To the child, it appears as the dash of a circle is 2 pi r.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever fill in the FIB you are making, na, it should be some. It should have some sense. Simple. Okay. Whatever word you are making as a blank, it shouldn't be in the question or it shouldn't be the direct answer.
Right answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it right? Chalo.
Okay.
Now competency. Competency mein you can tag what relevant competencies it require. Then you need to write hint. Perimeter is nothing but the outer boundary length of a shape or any object. Got it? Okay.
Okay.
Hint should guide this perimeter. Okay.
Okay.
And marks. For this is a 2 marks question, so 1 mark I'll put for step 1 and 1 mark I'll put for step 2. Okay.
Okay.
Now I completed all the 4 parameters in step 1. Step 1 mein I completed all the 4 parameters. Now coming to step 2. Okay. Step 2
Okay.
mein, see whatever you are making, see the step what you made in the solution box may directly reflect for the first second steps first stage. No need to do nothing. And coming to
Okay.
meta tags, same difficulty level you need to assign.
Okay.
There is some calculation in this, so I put that difficulty level. Here also the same concept is used, so I'm tagging the same concept.
Circumference.
After that, I tag this primary competency. You can tag one or more also if you feel
Okay.
like it is required. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm not making 44 centimeter as blank. I don't make 44 centimeter as blank. So what I'll do is I make only one word blank. Either 22 I'll make, either 7 I'll make. One. This is in mat type, na? This is in mat
Okay.
type. In the previous step, I made a FIB in word format only, but here
Okay.
it is in mat type. So I choose
Okay.
22 by 7. 7 ko I choose only. 7 ko I choose only 7, and I'm clicking on this A and clicking on OK. 7 is highlighted. Now I'm clicking on this button, create or update FIB. So 7 is the FIB here. So similarly, I tag primary competencies here as well, and I write hint value of 5.
Hi. Okay.
You can write
Okay.
5
Okay.
uh, is uh,
22/7.
uh, directly we can write defined from the ratio uh, defined from the ratio of circumference to NCE to diameter. Okay,
Okay.
that's it, na? Diameter
Okay.
only, not radius. Okay. So value of pi is defined from the ratio of circumference to diameter. You can even
Okay.
write if you are
Okay.
willing to write pi equal to 22.
By 7. Okay.
Okay. Now marks for second step 1. So I completed the step part also.
Okay.
Now see 2 steps are completed. I'm going to book meta tags. Book meta tags. Uh, Most probably book meta tags we are leaving mostly. Generally, why we are leaving in the sense we are encountering mistakes. But if you do na, you'll get some extra income with this. Okay, book meta tax
Okay.
is also easy. I'll tell you. See, book meta tax is the whole detail. Like what to tell? All the book details will be included in this. Okay, I'm
Okay.
clicking on type. You can see there are 7 parameters here: book name, book code, chapter, location,
Exam.
type,
Type.
number, page number.
Huh.
Okay, so in type when you click on this, so leave about book name, come to book code, click on book code and tag the book code. Book code is what book code? This question is picked from the book code EL06M011. This is the book. Okay, it
Okay.
appears in the suggestion. From the suggestions you need to select it. Okay, and click on this add tag. When you click on add tag, you can see it appears in preview. Yes, you can see now.
Okay. Okay.
Book
Okay.
code details. It appeared in the preview. Book code chapter. Now, see
Circle.
coming to yes, coming to
Chapter.
chapter. Chapter
Chapter.
में
Sir.
selection में you need to give sequence.
Okay.
Selection में you need to give sequence and details you need to write the chapter name how it is present in the PDF
Okay.
textbook PDF. For example, I'll show you one book. Any book I just load it. One book I'll show. In some textbooks, you can see na, there in the
Yes.
heading it is written as chapter 1 and circles. You can see na,
Okay.
chapter 1 areas. Generally they will write in word format only, chapter chapter 1 and areas. If it is written mentioned in the textbook like that, same way you need to mention it in this.
Okay.
Same way you need to mention it here in details. See, here you can see chapter 1. See, chapter 1, it is given like this: crop
Okay.
production and foodfall from animals. Similarly, you need to write how it is there. And in the selection, I select 1. Selection is nothing but the sequence. Here I write chapter
Chapter.
1 and crop production, what it was, crop production and fruit from element. Similarly, how it is written, capital P. Like this. You understand na? Chapter 1 here, however, how it is mentioned in the book na, similarly you need to mention it in details. Okay,
Okay.
you understand na? So here, suppose manlo here it is only chapter 1 and it is of areas.
Areas.
Okay, I'm putting areas directly and I'm clicking on add tag. When I click on add tag, see in the selection whatever you are giving na, that is
Okay.
sequence 1 2 3 4 5
Report.
like that. Okay,
Okay.
sequence. So I'm clicking on add tag. See 1 comma chapter 1 areas, it is like this. Okay, now chapter completed. Location, generally within the location is nothing but within the chapter, back of the chapter, back of the book. If exercises, there are exercises in text questions that exact obviously they'll be in within the chapter only, right?
Okay. Within the
Exercise
chapter.
exercise in text questions and activity based questions, they are within the chapter only na. Simply to
Okay.
tell you where till where the theory ends, till then all the questions what all included in the theory na, are within the
Okay.
chapter only. Simple.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you soon after the chapter, whatever questions you encounter, that those are obviously back of the chapter. Okay,
Okay.
and assessment tests, periodic test, model papers, all these are back of the book.
Okay.
Simple, no? Got it?
Okay.
So
Okay,
this
sir.
is obviously exercise I'm thinking. So I'm clicking on within the chapter and clicking on add tag. So you can see here it is location is within the chapter. Now type what type of question it is. Obviously exercise. I'm
Okay.
clicking on exercise. And exercise name you need to put. How it is mentioned in the book, similar way you need to put exercise 1.1. Suppose it is like this, you need to put it like this only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Suppose there are indexed questions, you need to type indexed questions only here. Okay.
Okay.
So click on add tag, here it will appear. Exercise comma exercise 1.1. You can see exercise comma exercise 1.1. Got it?
Okay.
Type. Now question number. Question numbering is like say selection mein how, as I told you now, we give only sequence. Yes.
Okay.
Selection mein we give sequence. Question numbering is also sequence. For example, I'll tell you one. I'll show you same book. Questions are available in this. Then it's fine. Hold on. Hmm. Okay, no problem. I'll show you one and I'll let you know. See here, text your learning outcome. This is the exercise now.
Okay.
Okay, this is within the chapter only because theory is not ended. Theory is still
Okay.
going on. Test
Okay.
your learning outcome. It is a exercise. Okay,
Okay.
this is an exercise, and you can see there are 9 questions. Okay,
Okay.
so if you encounter such type of questions, so selection may one you give, selection may one we are giving, and in details also one only we are giving. Okay,
Okay.
for the
Okay.
next question, the sequence changes, the question number also changes.
Okay.
But imagine under one question, there are 3 sub questions. Inside
Okay.
one question, there are 3 sub questions, A, B, C. Okay. And for the second question, there are another 3 sub questions. Okay.
Okay.
Understand it? So how many total questions are there? 6.
Okay.
Yes or not? 6.
Yes, yes.
So in selection, I'm giving 1,
And
and
here
here I write
6. 6.
A, 1A.
Okay.
In selection is nothing but the sequence, na? 2.
Okay.
Here I write B,
Okay.
1B. 3. Selection mein I get 3. Here I write C, 1C. You understand it, right? This is the sequence. Each
Okay.
sub question is treated as individual question only here, and you will be
Okay.
paid per question. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Per question in the sense individual question.
Okay.
Understand it? So now suppose for 6, sequence 6, what you will get in details?
Yeah.
For sequence 6, what you will get in details?
F.
Tell me, I'm asking you a question. For sequence
F.
6, what?
F.
Huh?
F.
What you will get in details for sequence 6?
Sequence 6 F. 1 F. Sorry.
See, under one question there are 3 sub questions. On that second question again there are 3 sub questions. So
Okay.
in details, what you will get? We will write the exact question number in the details
Okay.
box.
Okay.
2.
So
2
2
bracket F.
bracket.
F. No, sorry. Bracket C. Bracket C. Only 3
Yes,
suppose.
yes,
Brackets.
correct. Got it,
Okay.
no? So this is
Yes,
a
yes.
sequence.
Okay.
So as of now, I'm tagging it here like this itself. 6 comma, here it appears sequence comma the actual question number.
Okay.
Selection में what you write, that is sequence. And
Okay.
details में what you write, that is the exact question number printed in the textbook.
Okay.
Okay. And the
Okay.
last one is page number. Page number is a simple part. Just go for the first chapter.
Okay.
Go for the first chapter and see where the first page is starting.
Okay.
See here, chapter 1 is starting at page number 1.
Okay.
Because page number 2 it is, so chapter 1 is at page number 1. So
Okay.
no need to do nothing. Selection mein 1, whatever page is there, directly you can put here. 1 and 1 in detail. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Similarly, as the page number changes, sequence also changes. Okay. But
Okay.
the confusion arises when uh, first page number starts at page number 7.
Hmm.
First chapter's first page number starts at page number 7. So
Hmm.
in details, I'm writing 7. But
Okay.
in selection, I will give 1
1.
only.
1 only.
Yeah. As the page
Okay.
number now 7 changes to 8, 1 changes to 2.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Okay.
this 8 changes to 9 and 2 changes to 3.
3.
Got it?
Okay.
So the first chapter's first page number is 7. So I'm giving 1 in the selection.
Okay.
Okay. Now you
Okay.
can see 7 and 1. The difference is 6. Those difference continues, right?
Okay.
When now 7 changes to 8, I turned over the page, so 7 changes to 8. Selection mein 1 changes to 2. See,
Okay.
the difference is 6. Okay,
Okay.
so whatever page, suppose you are doing some 20th page number, you are
Okay.
in 20th page number. So here in details I write 20 and I subtract 6 because the difference is 6. I subtract 6 and I write 14 here.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Got it,
No
no?
issue. Okay, sir.
Easy. So what the PDF page number is the main thing here. So I'm clicking on add tab. Here you can see how everything is copied now.
Okay.
So this data you will be working for the first time only. Here you can see
Okay.
copy and paste symbol. Copy and paste symbol. You can see now. I'm copying
Okay.
it from here, and when I go to next question, now I paste it there. If you
Okay.
want to show, I will show you. So I'm creating. I'm clicking on create new question. Uh, questions creation type. Coming here, book pointer tax. I'm just clicking paste here. You can see. When I click on paste, whatever details I entered there, they are appearing
Okay.
here. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So once in a while, most frequently, you will be changing the question number only. Yes or not?
Okay.
Only
Okay.
question number you need to change. Once in a while, you will change the page number, and once in a while, you will change the exercise. Once in a while you will change the chapter name.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Easy.
Easy.
Book meta tags are easy only. Once for one question you will be little bit what to say. You need to think a little bit. Now soon after book meta tags you need to write overall hint. Add hint. You have it now. Add hint. Overall hint. Overall hint should reflect overall solution.
Hmm.
Here the overall hint is nothing but perimeter only. Na?
Okay.
Perimeter circle is 2 pi r.
Hmm.
2
IR.
pi r. Okay.
Okay.
I wrote this perimeter of circle. This is the overall hint. And
Okay.
apart from this, we don't have any another hint also, right or not?
Okay.
So overall hint I gave. Now overall question meta tags. Overall question meta tags. You need to write difficulty level, assign difficulty level from overall question. I give 5 here and ideal time. It takes 2 minutes. So I write
Hmm.
120 seconds. It is given
Hmm.
right already. You need to write the time in seconds. So
Okay.
writing the time in seconds. What skill is required here? Simply calculation. Okay, mostly in mathematics and physics, if it is of geometrical thing, analytical and visualization will work. If it is
Okay.
definition of area related thing, it is memory.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and calculation. Then that's it. Mostly these are the things we use, na? So
Okay.
here calculation thing used, and in Bloom level, you can say rote learning. There are multiple Bloom levels. Rote learning is nothing but for the by hearting thing. Yes. Comprehension is a comprehensive things, comprehensive passages and all. Analysis is for again geometry related things. Application, application where we use. If you are utilizing of any theorem, if you are utilizing of any formula, it comes under application only. Followed by synthesis and evaluation. It is given directly. Evaluation we give evaluation synthesis when we are deriving we give synthesis. Simple it is.
Okay.
So here it requires application. So I am giving application. And questions what you can eliminate primary concept. What concept we are tagging there? Circumference. Overall question with circumference is the main concept, right?
Okay.
Okay. My net got disconnected. Okay. So, so here in the primary concept, question meta tags में primary concept you can see here, right?
Okay.
Primary concept. Primary concept में already the concept is tagged and primary competence is also tagged and secondary concept is nothing here. Okay, tagged it. So that's it. In overall question meta tags, you need to follow this first difficulty level, time in seconds, skill and Bloom level. Soon after that, you need to give primary concept. Okay, if necessary, if it is required, you need to give secondary concept as well. If you
Okay.
think like it is necessary, you can mention it. Okay.
Okay.
All the concept what you are tagging, you can use this CBSE learning map. The CBSE learning map is there, right? CBSE concept list this is. So you can use this list. Okay. Whatever concept you want to find, you can press Control F and you can find it.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay. Control F.
Now, yeah, Control F finding for finding. Okay. That's it. And the last stage, you are eliminating this video link and question source. No need to bother about this. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the last part of the question is CBSE learning maps. Click on learning maps and tag CBSE learning maps only. CBSE learning maps, not Imbibe learning maps for
Okay.
CBSE. CBSE learning maps only. And
Okay.
goal में you tag CBSE exam. What grade we are doing? Sixth grade, so sixth. Okay.
Subject
Subject
mathematics.
mathematics, unit geometry.
Okay. Chapter circle.
Uh, yes, six kept basic geometrical ideas.
Okay.
Yes, now here it is. So perimeter we are not getting. circumference, an audio. See, class 6 basic geometry, introduction to geometry, conception of balance. See, basic geometrical ideas. You can see here, circles. Okay. Generally,
Okay.
I don't think so. What question we did now, na? This is belonging to sixth grade directly. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But whatever book we are allotting it, na. Just for example, I'm taking this. But when I'll be giving you the exact book, you'll be finding the exact topics relevantly. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Just pick any one relevant one and click on done. When you click on done, you can see automatically automatically all the details will fill up automatically here itself. Okay,
Okay.
automatically. Then this is the last part. Click on save. Soon after clicking on save, Mbibe logo will appear. I'll show you. When you click on save, now you can see here 3262800. This is the ID. Come to
Okay.
top of the page. Come to top of the page, and you can see 3262800. This is the ID. Okay,
Okay.
you need to reserve this ID. Okay. So this is one. This is the creation work. Okay. When I ask you
Okay.
to create things, you need to do like this. But as if now, what I'll give you is I'll give you finalization work. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Finalization work in the sense someone is already created the question, and you need to
Okay.
check whether the solution is proper. If the solution is not proper, you need to
Okay.
enter all the data. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Whatever the missing thing is there, you need to enter. I'll show you one. Uh, as of now, yesterday itself, day before yesterday, I guess, I assigned him the work. So similarly, for you also, I'll be assigning like this only. Okay. Index page one, I give you this all. Okay. All the links. It's CBSE concept link it is. Concept
Okay.
link, textbook PDF, everything is available here. Okay. So
Okay.
what you need to do is here in this tab, you have the assignment sheet. So here you
Okay.
can see CGIDs. I told you,
Okay.
right? Just when you save, when you create a question, an unique ID generates. That ID is a representation of the work what you did. Yes or no?
Okay.
So now what I do is I just take two IDs, two or one. I take one ID. This ID is created by someone. I don't know. This ID is created by someone. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now I come here to CG and I click on question workflows. See, to create a
Question.
new question, you need to go to questions. To create a new question, you need to go to questions. To view some others created question, you need to go to question bulk views. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I'm
Question
clicking on
welcome.
question bulk views and I'm pasting my ID here.
ID.
And I click on, I'm putting my ID here. I copied the ID from the output sheet. No, this is the output sheet. This is the output sheet.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can see.
Sir.
This is some person's output sheet. One person's. Okay. I,
Okay.
I pick up one ID from here, copied, and I'm putting it here. And I'm clicking on view question. When I click on view question, the question displays now. You can see
Okay.
here. So I click on edit. You then need to click on edit.
Edit. Okay.
Yes.
Edit.
Soon after clicking it on edit, this is the question body. Already given question is already written, and he also did with the diagram, done with the diagram.
Okay.
This is a single choice, huh? Yeah, single choice. So this is the correct answer. Okay. So correct answer and the solution is provided here itself
Okay.
within three steps. Solution is provided. He did three steps.
Okay.
If you feel like something is missing, you can add that.
Okay. Okay.
You can add that. For each step, he given meta tags. He did solve with us.
Okay.
But in case if there is no solve with us, then you need to do it.
Okay.
Okay. The
Okay.
single choice for 1 mark, na? So
Okay.
for one, you cannot give 1 mark. So he given zero. You shouldn't leave it blank.
Okay.
Instead, you need to give zero. And for the second step also, he gives zero. For the last step, he gave one. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
For
Zero.
single choice,
Zero.
it is of 1 mark, obviously.
Okay.
If it is of subjective, you can give 0.5, 0.5.
Okay.
It is of single choice, na? Single choice means the correct answer matters, right or not?
Okay.
Similarly, book meta tags all are done. Hint is also given. Overall taggings are performed. And CBSE learning maps. This is also done. Maps learning map is also done. Save
Okay.
it. Once you save it, so ID is already generated here, right? ID is already
Okay.
there. No problem. Only you need to save and change the status to pending review. For you, it gets pending review here and click on submit. Okay.
Okay.
You understand, right?
Okay.
Now you see, I'll tell you one more thing. When you change the type, suppose if you feel like type is irrelevant, when you change the type, ID is changed. Okay, when you change the type, ID is changed. See, ID got displaced, disappeared. When you
Okay.
save this question, an ID will generate here.
Okay.
Okay, when you save this question, another ID will generate here. Okay,
Okay.
understanding, right? That ID code you need to copy and paste it in your output sheet, just beside to that ID. CGID of question type change. See, when the ID gets changed, you need to copy the new ID, whatever you got. Okay, clear, right?
Okay.
Understanding, right?
Yes. Yes.
For example, what I am doing is now I'll take one question.
Okay, sir. One
See,
question.
another question. See, this question I'll take now.
Okay.
I'll take and I'll open in question buckets. I click
Question
on
and
view.
edit.
I click on view. See, edit where you need to go. Edited. So you can see question body, everything is given here, right?
Okay.
Everything is given here. You can see here 25 kg is fine, 1 kg is written like this. So what you need to do is you need to erase it and you put 1 here in MATLAB.
Okay.
You understand me?
Okay. Okay.
Got it, right? Give some space. Properly it should look. Okay. So solution is given. Solution is directly given. You need to provide explanation in terms of word. Word
Okay.
मतलब words में थोड़ा description देना है, right?
Okay. Okay.
Give that. After that, meta tags you need to provide. Meta tag C, no concept is tagged. You need to tag concept.
Okay.
Solve with us. Solve with us you need to make. Marks he given marks. Okay. You need to bother for this. Okay.
Okay.
For example,
Sir, for single choice question only we marks 1. Multiple choice we marks 2.
single choice one, multiple choice में how many correct answers are there? So on that it depends, na, I guess.
Okay.
Mostly you
Okay.
won't encounter multiple choice. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, see, hint you need to add. Hint is not added. Hint you need to add. And skill is not added. Skill you need to add. Concept you need to add. And learning hub you need to add. Then you
Okay.
save it. Save it. After saving it, change the status to pending review and submit.
Okay.
Got it? This is the work you need to do. You understand? So here you need to provide explanation. For example, see, I'll tell you one more thing. Given I wrote. Okay.
Okay.
I wrote. Given only I wrote. So I click on create or update steps. I click on create or update steps. It gets updated in the step, but it doesn't get updated in solve with us. Solve with us means nothing will show. What you
Okay.
need to do is you can copy from source to source. I'll show you. You can see source here.
Okay.
So when you click on this button, whole text what you enter, it turns into HTML. So I'm copying this and I'm coming to solve with this and I'm clicking on the source back. I'm clearing all the things and I'm pasting the code again. This is called source to source copy. For
Okay.
one word, you can easily copy paste or you can easily type. But most probably, if you are writing big paragraphs, na, so it will be
Okay.
too difficult. So you can copy from source to source.
Source to source.
Okay, that's it. This is all the work how it goes. So similarly, in this way, I'll give you questions. Okay,
Okay.
each is
Okay.
identified with unique ID. These are the IDs.
Okay.
These are the IDs. See, there are 98 questions in this. So 98 questions. For you, it will be more. I will give you now.
Okay.
Okay, you are supposed to look at the CGIDs. See,
Okay.
the CGIDs, the priorities are from newly created first, and question type changed second. Third is this is the existing CGID or old CGID. Okay,
Okay.
from R, if there is no CGID in R, you need to come Q. If there is no CGID, then you need to come P. Okay,
Okay.
understand, right?
Okay.
If you are creating any new CGID, suppose see anywhere some blank is there. Suppose here there is no CGID. Okay,
Okay.
19 में there is no CGID. Okay,
Okay.
here no CGID. You are creating it. Put it here. mention it here. Also mention it in all CGI. Okay,
Okay.
understanding, right? If you are creating an ID, put it here. Your price also will depend on that only. If you create, you get more.
Okay.
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 Only when you are creating it, mention it in R column.
Okay.
If you are just changing the type of the question, whatever the new ID generates, you put it in Q type changer, Q column. You're understanding, right?
Okay.
सर नई
Hello?
आईडी तभी जनरेट होगा ना जब अपन को टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन चेंज करना होगा.
Yes.
विदाउट टाइप ऑफ
exactly.
क्वेश्चन चेंजेस किए बिना नई आईडी जनरेट नहीं होगा.
Same, वही ID रहेगा.
ओके ओके ठीक.
Without changing the type of the question, वही ID रहेगा. तो you
Okay.
need nothing you need to do. इसमें जो है वही रहने दो. See,
Okay.
ये आज
Okay.
मैंने ऐसे किया था ना. इसमें
हाँ.
देखो ये ID इसमें टाइप नहीं किया, इसीलिए यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं डाला, यहाँ पे भी कुछ भी नहीं डाला.
हाँ.
सीधे यहाँ पे ID से serially all IDs में paste कर दिया.
Okay.
So if you are creating any question, just change it to create. If you are finalization, just type finalize. Drop down
Okay.
मैंने create कर दिया.
Okay.
Okay, he finalized all this. These questions also he finalized only. There is no
Okay.
one question which he created. So every
Okay.
question comes under finalization only.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
every question comes under finalization only. So this is thing. And coming to topic tagging. Topic tagging. Here you can see the topic tagging. Na? I give you
Okay.
this topic tagging also. Topic tagging भी मैं एक दूंगा आपको. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Topic tagging में you need to choose level 2 only. Level 2 concepts you will be choosing. Okay.
Okay.
अभी मान लो मैं एक आईडी ले रहा हूँ. ये आईडी कौन सा चैप्टर को बिलोंग करता है? चैप्टर 21. Okay.
20. Okay.
So what I do is I go to chapter 21 directly.
Okay.
Here I don't have till chapter 21. For example, if I'm doing chapter 17, okay,
Okay.
you need
Okay.
to choose level 2 concept only for from 17 chapter only. These are the
Okay.
different types of concepts. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
एक आईडी है वो मीन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन से लिया हुआ है. मीन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन का कॉन्सेप्ट हमने यूज किया है. सो यू कॉपी
Okay.
दिस मीन फ्रॉम हियर एंड यू गो देयर एंड you paste it perfect here. Bas.
Okay.
You understand it, right?
Yes,
From
sir.
topic tagging, you pick the topic and you paste it this column. That's it. ये आईडी ये मीन ऑफ द अनग्रुप डेटा को बिलोंग करता है, तो यहाँ पे
Okay.
पेस्ट कर दो. तो व्हाट
Okay.
आर टॉपिक इट इज फ्रॉम लेवल 2 ओनली, L2 ओनली. ओके.
Okay.
अगर मान लो एक चैप्टर कर रहे हो, आप 15th चैप्टर कर रहे हो, तो 15th चैप्टर का देखो 15th चैप्टर का वो व्हाट से कॉन्सेप्ट टॉपिक्स ओनली यू नीड टू यूज.
Okay.
Go to another chapter. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. This is what the whole thing is for.
Okay.
I give you this type of sheet. One sheet I'll create and I'll give it to you now. Okay.
Okay.
What all subjects you want to tell? I have physics now. Physics का
Okay.
2 chapters है. 8th grade का and 6th
Okay.
class का mathematics book है. उस book में
Okay.
लगभग 1600 questions है.
कितना 100 सर?
1600
1600 मैथमेटिक्स का बुक में.
mathematics book है 1600. Yeah.